bird and dog. We're gonna be in a tabletop position, hips stacked over knees, shoulders stacked over wrists. Press that belly button up, press that scapula up, and then we're gonna extend the left leg and the right arm straight out, and then we're gonna bring them in without having so much movement in the lower and the upper back. In and out. We're gonna be performing 5 on the right side and 5 on the left side, starting with the right. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, and rest.